What are the reasons for the recurrence of psoriasis? Psoriasis is no less than a nightmare. What if it reoccurs or a relapse happens? I know, it sounds really troublesome. However, this may occur as psoriasis is an autoimmune disorder that may recur if some triggers are met. I know it is very unpleasant to know that psoriasis relapses can occur even after it is treated, but it's real. Let's understand the reason behind the recurrence of psoriasis. Hello and a very warm good morning to all viewers. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash and you are cordially welcome to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel. Here you can get so much detailed scientific information on health and wellness, healthy diet and nutrition, yoga, exercise and treatment of chronic diseases with natural and holistic care. Well, today in my video, you will learn the top reasons for psoriasis recurrence. See, psoriasis is a chronic autoimmune condition that affects several areas of your body, your scalp, face, chest, nails, hands, legs, and genitals too, characterized by white silvery flakes and red inflamed patches. Since it is an inflammation, so anything that triggers inflammation will make you more prone to the relapses. Let's know the reasons for your psoriasis relapse. The number one trigger is stress. No doubt, chronic emotional stress is one of the strongest and most underestimated triggers. Okay, so what happens when you are stressed? Your body releases the stress hormone cortisol, which suppresses immunity in the short term but worsens inflammation in the long term. It also disrupts sleep, digestion, and detoxification, all crucial for the psoriasis management. Well, the number two is diet. Yes, certain inflammatory foods can make your psoriasis worse. Foods like refined sugar, dairy products, nightshades, gluten, and alcohol can contribute to psoriasis relapse. So, it is better to cut off all these foods from your diet and switch to psoriasis friendly diet like leafy greens, plant-based proteins, walnuts, flax seeds, apples, guava, and whole grains. Leaky gut syndrome is also one of the most prominent triggers for psoriasis relapse. Well, this condition allows undigested food particles, toxins, and pathogens to escape into the bloodstream, triggering autoimmune flare-ups. If it is overlooked, this can also cause other autoimmune disorders. However, leaky gut can be treated by including probiotic foods in your diet. Some infections like strep throat caused by streptococcus or candida overgrowth may also contribute to psoriasis recurrence in susceptible individuals. The strep infection is often the trigger for the gutted psoriasis and can contribute to the cause recurrences. Well, you can prevent the relapse by maintaining strong immunity with zinc, vitamin C, and good hygiene practices. Psoriasis relapse can also occur due to toxin buildup in the body. A sluggish liver can cause toxin buildup in the skin, leading to eruptions and flare-ups. The liver, kidneys, and gut are the body's main detoxifying organs. If they are overworked or inefficient, they fail to remove toxins from the body and thereby cause skin flare-ups. You can prevent toxin accumulation in the body by supporting detox with milk thistle, dandelion tea, lemon water, and sweating through the exercise or sauna. Well, I hope you understand the reason for psoriasis recurrence. It is actually possible, but you can manage or prevent the relapse by following an active lifestyle, eating a healthy diet, and adopting a natural and holistic approach to healing. I know it is challenging to live with psoriasis and it is more tense if it recurs. But no worries, psoriasis can be treated so well in Bharat homeopathic medicines. Unlike modern medicines, which administers lotions, creams, ointments, and steroids for psoriasis treatment and may cause potential side effects in the long run of the treatment. Bharat homeopathic medicines are absolutely safe, effective, and bring results in the shortest possible time. They heal the disease from within, holistically tackle the symptoms, invigorate the system, and improve overall immunity. Bharat Homeopathy has a track record of thousands of happy patients who are now completely free from psoriasis and living a healthy life with beautiful and glowing skin. We are a team of experienced doctors who first analyze the patient's condition, understand their constitution, and prescribe personalized and customized homeopathic treatment after a full case taking. So, if you or your loved one is struggling with scaly and patchy skin condition, then don't worry. We are here to help you get over your psoriasis. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to the Bharat Homeopathy YouTube channel for health related videos. Thanks.